Oh my God, finally. I finally got my Boxycharm for October, on October 29th. Anyways, let me hurry up and get this started for you. I just want to show you, if you haven't seen this one yet. This is themed Work Your Magic, and it is the October, scary Halloween month here. Anyways, if you don't know anything about BoxyCharm, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, Subbox watching, liking, really appreciate it. And you can subscribe for free. It is $34 a month, and then they charge you $1.99 for shipping. And with this one, it's a really good deal because all the items in this one is 5 full size, and you get to actually pick 3 of the full size of what you want, out of a selection of items, out of products. So the first one that they had picked for me is by Dew of the Gods, and this is a very good brand. This is the Glow Aces Vitamin Blend Body Lotion, and it is in the scent Pumpkin Sugar Cookie. And I want to open this because I want to see if it really smells like pumpkin sugar cookie. And if it does, that's awesome. And I have really dry skin. I live in an arid area, and so my skin just, the older I get, the more dry that it gets. So anyways, here's the bottle, and it is beautiful, really pretty, and it's a glass bottle. Very nice, full size. This is a 5.3, is it? Oh, 3.3, 3.38 ounce, and it is pumpkin sugar cookie. So let's see what that smells like. And that is nice. Oh my gosh, it smells like a candle, like a pumpkin sugar cookie candle. And like I said, this brand I love. I love everything about Dew of the Gods. And that smells heavenly. It is not a greasy body lotion. It absorbs quickly, and very moisturizing, and you can tell it's very hydrating. So I am so happy to have this, and I am so glad they picked a good one for me. So this is definitely a winner for me. And so that retails for $36, and that's the Dew of the Gods body lotion. Second item is by a brand called Lift, Lithe, Lift Beauty. And this one is the Astral Eye Palette. And this is what it looks like. And let's look here, get it out of the box. And this says it retails for $32. This is the second item that they had picked for me. And the colors they're pretty nice. Very nude, kind of mild colors, nothing extravagant. And it looks like a decent palette. So, and it actually has here, this is kind of like a white opal color, and it's very pretty. So, yep, just a nice neutral palette. Very good. So this retails for $32. Now the third item, this is the beginning of the ones that I had picked. So this is pick number 1 for me, and I picked the Lunar Beauty. This is called the Outer Dimension Sculpting Stick, and this retails for $25. They had about 4 different shades to pick from, and I decided to pick a lighter shade because I've been getting a lot of bronzers and contour sticks, and some of them have been like way too dark on me. So I just wanted to try something for the winter time when my skin gets lighter for the winter, that this I can still use as a sculptor. And so this is very fair. It almost reminds me of a foundation stick. So this is a pretty light color. I'm sure I'll be using that come January, February, when my skin is completely light. But yeah, I think that'll be fine. And so this is what I've noticed lately with different bronzing and sculpting sticks. They're not cheap. They can run some money. So I've seen them anywhere from, you know, $22 up to $40 for a stick. So this one retails for $25, and that's the bronzing and sculpting stick. And again, like I said, that's a very, very fair colored stick. And the second item, item number 4 that I picked, which I can't believe that they had in this box. I love it. It's the Rare Beauty, and this is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. And I actually tried it when I opened this box just to get the price detail breakdown, you know, 5 minutes before I made this video. I actually put this on because I couldn't resist. So this is actually the color, and I was a little heavy-handed, but I wanted you to see what a beautiful shade this is. And this blush is amazing. It goes down really well. It's highly pigmented. Like, I literally put one little dot on the back of my hand, and I used that. That was more than enough for both sides of my face. And then I tapped it on, and then I blended it in with a blush brush, so that I use for cream. But I mean, this is beautiful. This is what the packaging looks like, and just a tiny, tiny bit. I mean, that's probably about half the amount that I actually laid down, but it's just gorgeous. I mean, this is highly pigmented. It blends really well, and it looks like it has a dry down to it, so it's not going to move around. Like, it's going to stay put where it's at. So really great formula, and I'm so happy to have this. Yeah, so this is a really good one. So happy. This one retailed for $25, and again, this was pick number 2 for me. And then the third item that I picked out of the 3 that I get to pick is this one's called REM, and this is what the outside of the box looks like. And here's the package. This is the Drip Glossy Balm in Strawberry Soda, and this retails for $19. So you go to any place, you pick up REM Beauty, you're going to pay. And so it's really nice. It's got a doe foot here. And we'll try a little bit of color, see what this is like on. And here's what this looks like. So it's not, it doesn't go on very pigmented. It does have a tint of nice color to it. And it goes on, you know, really smooth, and tiny bit of tack. It's not completely, but you know, most glosses you're going to have just a little bit. So that's a really good color. I enjoy that. So anyways, to me it goes down a little bit, not as bright as what's showing, you know, in the jar, or in the bottle here. And so anyways, those products, those retail all for $137. That's what I paid the $34 on. The additional item is called the Beauty Boost, and you can pick this up every month. You can be part of selecting for the Beauty Boost or get on the list to get the Beauty Boost. And this is usually an expensive item that you're picking up for $15. And so for $15 additional on top of the $34, so basically $49, plus your $1.99 shipping and your tax of where you live, based on where you live. This product was a $64 product, and this is the Drunk Elephant Sea Tangle Multivitamin Eye Cream, and this retails for $64, and I picked this up on my Beauty Boost for $15. So to me, that's an absolute steal. This is what it looks like. It's a tiny The packaging kind of makes it look a little bit bigger, but this is typical for eye cream. They're usually in a half ounce, at the very most, a 1 ounce. So this is a very standard size, a half ounce, and this is the vitamin C Tango multivitamin eye cream. And Drunk Elephant is another great brand. So I know that this product goes for $64, and I got to pick this up for $15. So that's amazing. So the whole box, including the Drunk Elephant, retails for, oh, what a neat little twist top. Isn't that great? You twist it up and the pump comes out. So this whole box, including the Beauty Boost, cost me $49 plus $1.99 for shipping and tax. So let's say even at 53, you know, maybe $55, I end up getting $201 worth of product. And I'll go over that really quick with you again. The first item they picked for me was the Dew of the Gods. Second item was the Lift Beauty eyeshadow palette. And the third item was the Luna contour sculpting stick. The fourth item was Rare Beauty, and that is the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. And the fifth item was the REM Beauty, and that was the Glossy Balm, or Glossy Lip Gloss, and or Glossy Balm, they call it Drip Glossy Balm. And then also, this is the Beauty Boost, and that is the $64 product eye cream from Drunk Elephant. And so this whole box cost me $49 plus tax and shipping, and it's a $201 value box. So I love this box. This is an awesome box. I can't say anything bad about it. Every single item in this box I think that I will be using. So thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy, you know, you might want to. I don't get paid by them. I just enjoy doing the videos for YouTube and love showcasing anything that's beauty and skincare. But if you don't, you might want to go on the website. I'll put some information in on the description down below. And, you know, it's just www.ipsy.com. And, you know, it's good. It's good to look at if you're looking to try a different product and get it at a really good price. And, you know, and see where you're at and see if you enjoy it. So, anyways, thank you so much. You guys have a good night. Thanks for subscribing and watching.